Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to speak about the PCV valve. So the duty of the PCV valve is to take the blow-by air pressure mix with the oil and gas from the inside the engine to the intake manifold. So as per as the photo that we have throttle body, that the PC valve is located before the throttle body. Then we have intake manifold, MAF, air filter, PCV check valve, and we have crankcase, that the blow by air that goes to the crankcase. The PCV valve, it can be located on the engine body, like near to the crankcase, or it can be at the top side of the engine, head of the engine. PCV valve, it can be in the different location. So the PCV valve controls the amount of vacuum that can be drawn through a crankcase. It is connected to the intake manifold. The PCV valve largely eliminates the vacuum when it is at high idle. The PCV valve opens as vacuum decrease with increased RPM, allowing more gas and pressure to be drawn into intake. So when the piston moves up and down, then what will happen? The air and the fuel that came inside of the combustion chamber, so it will pressurize, and when the piston is go to the TDC, top dead center, those gas, it will leak and comes to the crankcase. And the PCV valve, what will do, it will collect those gases and then it will send it to the intake manifold. So it's the breathing system of the engine also, it can be. And then there is a pipe connected from the air filter to the engine. In there directly there is going air pressure, and then this kind of the air that mixed with the oil and gas also is going inside to the combustion chamber. Then we have the catch can working principle. Catch can duty is it separate the oil and gas coming from the engine. Actually, when the PCV valve collecting the blow by, so it mixed with the oil and gas, and it's separating the oil and gas, and just the air is going. This combination is for the vehicles that it has supercharged and turbochargers. Catch can used only for the engines that has supercharged or turbochargers, because the piston moves faster and even more leakage from the piston towards down. When the piston moves up and down, some gas will be leaked and move to the crankcase. The PCV valve move them out of the engine to the catch can. Then in the catch can, because of the specific structure, it reduces the speed of the circulation and it separates oil and gas. It won't allow the oil to move to the engine intake manifold. Then from the catch can moves to the intake manifold and balancing the gas pressure inside the engine. It's one of the main duty of the PCV valves that it's doing with the help of the catch can in the vehicles that has a supercharged and turbochargers. Then there is a drain and accumulated liquid that it has a specific limit. If it become full, so it can be changed the catch can, or you can remove the extra oil. If it fail, what will happen? If the PCV valve failed, poor performance and rough idling as well as misfire, increased oil consumption because pressure builds when the vibration in the crankcase aren't allowed to flow into the combustion chambers. That additional pressure can force oil past seals and gaskets. If the catch can fail, curing the non-extent problem of oil blow by with the catch can, which pressure up the systems and blows a seal, allowing some oil to escape, could have the nasty feedback effect of catastrophic engine failure. The catch can almost located near to the PCV valve. These two, it should be near. And the blow by, it can move inside to the engine. There is some ways that from the crankcase it can go to the top side of the engine if the PCV valve is located at the top side. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching my videos.